What's going on, everyone, and welcome back to the channel. We have the Civivi Biophase, and we're going to do the final review over this. This thing's actually kind of cool, okay? I thought it was kind of gas station looking knife type thing, but it's actually pretty cool. It has a lot of purposes for it, and there's a reason behind everything, and it's just a really cool little knife. No, I guess not little knife. It's a little bit bigger. Um, Now, one thing that I really liked is how light it is, and that's the first thing you will notice when you get this knife. You have a aluminum liners, I guess you could say, aluminum liners right there. And then you have a G10 like going over top of it. Now, it's obviously they're both very skeletonized. Every which way you can look at it, it's got holes in it. So that's kind of cool with making it lighter. That's nice. It's nice. Because you're going to see why when I weigh this, you'll probably crap your pants. Not really, because that would be a bad day for everyone. But it's just going to be super light, and you're probably going to be surprised. Yeah, so you got the aluminum and the G10, and the G10 is very grippy and very nice. So you're definitely, you think, okay, you don't have as much material on there, so you may not be able to grip it as well. Like, that's not a problem, just the way the G10 is. Like, it's really, you can't really just see how grippy it is on a camera, stuff like that, or a video. But it definitely, you can feel it. It's definitely grippy, and you're not going to lose grip on this thing. And ergonomically, like, this thing's awesome. Like, it's really fits really well. I don't feel the pocket clip hardly at all in my hand. You can choke up to with that nice finger twirl right there. You can push back on the flipper tab kind of right there. As you do, you can kind of pinch this with your thumb. Let me get it on camera. There you go. And you can pinch, and you get a good grip right there. I really like that. And jimping's great, too. Jimping's really good, too. Really impressed with the jimping. This is a Nitro V steel for the blade. Come on, baby. Right there. Right there. Nitro V. You do have a nice hollow ground clip point right there. It's nice. Like, it really is. And that clip point, I'm not a big clip point person, but I do like the way this one looks. And obviously it's hollow grind too, so it's a win-win right there for you. Obviously you got that satin grind also on it. Show you the other side. The one thing that looks a little goofy a little bit is these little right here, these little three holes. Kind of, I'm guessing, is what I figured is they're trying to balance the weight of the handle and then the blade. See, and it's balanced. It's not bad. Very surprising. You do have these little holes right here. It's like a fuller tab kind of in a way. Not like a finger hole quite, but you have holes right there. And it also kind of reminds me of a fuller, so you can't obviously stick your finger through it, but you can flick it open very easily right there. I'm very impressed with that. You can put your middle finger right here, right there between the middle hole, and flick open easy. I usually put my finger down here on this bottom portion, just put it down and flick it open, and it comes open very easy. Again, both ways. Rear flipper tab is snappy. Nice little ting to it. And button locks, the button lock works very well. I'm always very impressed with the button lock from Civivi. They do a pretty good job on them. Never had a problem with Civivi, button lock wise. They're always snappy. They always work well. Not a lot of stick to them. They just work very well. I'm very impressed with them. And there's also one other thing, the pocket clip. Pocket clip is recessed, which is a bonus, especially with the knife the way it is. It kind of would be kind of goofy if it was sticking out also. So I'm glad they did that. But the pocket clip and the screws are recessed, and it is reversible, which is a bonus. That's what we want. Left-handed should need a blade too. Yeah, already said ergonomically, like it's nice. It's not bad. You got jimping or texture, something right here, just some cutouts for gripping. I'm guessing that's what I kind of took it as, because I can definitely feel it right there. Not like a pain thing, but I definitely feel like it latches on a little better. One thing I was surprised by, there's no blade play at all. Up, down, left and right, ain't nothing. So I'm very surprised at the lockup. It's very solid. Very solid. Let's get, this is the Praxis. This is regular. I'm just going to do some comparisons real quick. So it's definitely right up there with the comparison of the Praxis, size-wise. It's a hairball shorter. And here is the mini Praxis. So there you go. Quite a bit difference. Really not bad, though. It's a good knife. I liked it. I liked it a lot. Let's get some weights real quick for you. because that's what I want to show you the most. Get it closed up. All right. 2.6. See? It's light. 2.5, 2.6. So it's very light for as big as it is. Like, originally I told you I thought this was heavier. Let's see. Okay, so just by 1.1. I did not think it was that much. Wow, really? I figured there'd be more of a difference, actually. Okay, that I would say that's just dumb luck that I got that. Because I thought this was quite a bit lighter, actually. It's weird. Okay, so I guess I I look pretty smart right there, right? By point one. Not bad, right? Let's get that out of the way. Let's get some measurements for you. We'll check out them screws. Look like they're T8s. Let's hope so. Let's get it open first. So overall cutting edge is about 3 points. I think I'm going to say 3.25. So not too bad. 3 inches and a quarter. Overall, you're looking at about 8.15. So it's not bad. I'd say it's pretty good size. Check out some screws real quick for you. Alright, yes, we got T8. Do we have T8 for the pocket clip? Nope. So everything is T8 except for these screws right here into the pocket clip. That's T. Yeah, those are T6. But this one right here and this one is T8. So I'm guessing it's just, okay, so that's just, this screw right here is just to hold that backspacer in, that's it. You have obviously the screws right there. The smaller T6 screws are just for pocket clip purposes only. Obviously they probably go into that, but yeah, so that's alright though. That's cool though, not bad. I'm really kind of curious to or not to think, but to hear what you guys think about this knife. It was very different. It's not one I'm used to checking out. But it actually was not bad. I was actually very impressed with this thing. Price point is $80. It just depends. You can get deals on them here and there. You just got to look for them. Yeah, I don't know if you're going to want to pay $80 without checking it out first. Now, that's what I'll give you. At first, I probably wouldn't have paid $80, but if I can get $80, maybe like a little discount from someone, find it somewhere where someone has like a code or something like that where you get 10% off, absolutely go for it. Because this is going to be a great knife for, honestly, I would honestly say like hiking. Because if you get your hands wet, you got that G10 is going to grip just nice. It really is. So I would think almost like hiking, stuff like that, camping, outdoor stuff, like you could definitely use this. You got a hollow grind Nitro V blade on it, so I think it might be pretty good for it. That's just what I'm thinking. I obviously haven't used it out there. The way I kind of do, I like to spitball and I think, how am I going to use this knife? How would I use this knife? And that's what I would probably use this for. Like, I just like to think about it. Some knives I'm not going to take camping, stuff like that. Like this right here, Padre. Like, it's a great knife. I'm not going to take this camping because I like it. It's a little too fancy for that too. But I'm not going to use it and go get it like in water and stuff like that. And even though it'd probably be fine, but I'm just not going to do that. I would probably do something more like this. And that's not saying the quality of the brand is like cheap or anything like that. I just feel like this works better for that type of stuff. I don't know. That's just my opinion, my go on it, I guess. But that's all I really got. But I'm kind of curious. Like I said, I want to know what you guys think about this thing. Let's let me know down in the comment section. If you guys like the video, just leave a thumbs up. Thanks.